When it comes to upgrading your home or office, one of the most impactful changes you can make is replacing or installing new windows. Not only do windows enhance the aesthetic appeal of your property, but they also play a crucial role in energy efficiency, security, and overall comfort. While DIY projects may seem tempting, choosing professional window installation services in Ferndale offers significant benefits that can save you time, money, and potential headaches in the long run. Expertise and experience. Professional window installers bring years of experience and specialized knowledge to the table. Installing windows is more than just fitting a frame and sealing it into place. It requires precision, an understanding of various window types, and the right tools for the job. Whether you're installing double-hung, casement, or sliding windows, experienced technicians know exactly how to measure, cut, and seal your windows to ensure a perfect fit. In Ferndale, with its unique weather conditions and architectural styles, expert installers understand the nuances of local building codes, climate concerns, and the best window options for your needs. Their expertise ensures that the installation is done right the first time, reducing the likelihood of costly mistakes. Time and convenience. Window installation is a time-consuming process that involves several steps, including removing old windows, preparing the opening, ensuring proper insulation, and installing the new units. If you're not familiar with the process, it can quickly become overwhelming. Professional installers streamline this process, saving you time and effort. They come prepared with the tools and materials needed to complete the job efficiently. While you might spend an entire weekend, or longer, on a DIY window project, a professional team can typically complete the job in just a day or two, allowing you to get back to your daily routine without disruption. Quality and precision. When it comes to window installation, precision is key. Improperly installed windows can lead to drafts, moisture damage, and decreased energy efficiency. A professional installation service in Ferndale ensures that your windows are installed perfectly, sealing tightly against air and water, and allowing for optimal insulation. Additionally, quality installation helps to maximize the lifespan of your windows. When installed correctly, your new windows will perform better, resist wear and tear, and maintain their aesthetic appeal for years to come. Many professional window companies in Ferndale also offer warranties on both the products and installation, giving you peace of mind in knowing that you're covered if any issues arise. Energy efficiency and cost saving. One of the most important reasons to choose professional window installation is the potential for energy savings. Windows play a crucial role in insulating your home and regulating temperature. A poorly installed window can allow air to seep in, reducing your HVAC system's efficiency and driving up your energy bills. Professional installers are well versed in selecting and installing windows that meet or exceed energy efficiency standards. They understand the importance of using energy-efficient materials, such as low-E glass and insulated frames, which can help keep your home comfortable year-round. By investing in professional window installation, you're not only ensuring the proper installation but also improving your home's energy performance and lowering your monthly utility costs. Increased home value and curb appeal. New windows can significantly boost the curb appeal of your home, making it more attractive to potential buyers if you're looking to sell in the future. Professional window installation ensures that your windows are not only functional but also complement the architectural style of your home. In Ferndale, where many homes boast unique designs and character, the right windows can enhance your property's aesthetic while maintaining its historical charm. Whether you're looking for modern, energy-efficient windows or traditional wood frames, professionals can help you choose the best option to elevate your home's value. Safety and security. Installing windows involves lifting heavy glass and working with tools that can be dangerous if you're not trained. Accidents can happen, especially when dealing with complex or oversized windows. By hiring professionals, you minimize the risk of injury to yourself or damage to your property. Moreover, experienced window installers know how to secure windows to prevent drafts, break-ins, and accidents. A poorly installed window can compromise the security of your home, leaving it vulnerable to the elements and potential intruders. With professional installation, you can rest assured that your windows are safe and secure. Conclusion. Choosing professional window installation services in Ferndale is an investment in the long-term performance, security, and aesthetic appeal of your home or business. From ensuring a precise, energy-efficient fit to saving you time and providing expert advice, the benefits of working with experienced installers are clear. Whether you're upgrading your current windows or installing new ones, turning to professionals ensures the job is done right, and your home will reap the rewards for years to come.